Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair from a highly recommended hair color, and it is the Clairol Colorstong. This is their new one, and it's the Zero Ammonia hair color, and this is in the shade Desert Nights, which is a beautiful blue-black. And this is 100% gray coverage. It's multi-dimensional color system with AHA bonding care, and that is phenomenal. I'm so happy that more drugstore brands are thinking about the hair more with like their bonding solutions and stuff. So this is like a 3-step system. If you're familiar with like the Schwarzkopf keratin color, where you have to put like step 1 in your hair first, this is just like this. This is their bonding primer, and I use 2 boxes of hair color, so I use 2 of these, and you just put it on your ends and mid-lengths. Do not touch the roots. You just do your mid-lengths and go all the way down to your roots, and make sure it's very saturated. I do it section by section, so that like it's do a little section, make sure that that's nice and saturated, and then I just keep going up until all my hair is covered. And I do comb it through so that like when coloring my hair, it just makes it easier to apply the color. Then it comes with a bonding treatment conditioner. So when you're done washing the hair color out, you shampoo and then you use the conditioner. And you don't want to use a lot. You just want to use like a decent amount. I don't want to say like use a quarter amount, because like if you have thick hair, you use like two quarter sizes. And then you just save the rest for the next time, because it's just like, it's a bonding treatment. It'll just make your hair feel amazing. And this smells amazing. It smells so good. I want to say that I think I found my perfect blue-black hair color. Like, this does remind me of L'Oreal Feria because it's multi-dimensional, and this is like the only other product out there that is multi-dimensional for a drugstore brand. And this one doesn't irritate my head. It's super, super gentle. It smells amazing. It's super dark, and I can see the blue. Like, it's just, I can see it without even really having to play with my hair. Like, I can see the blue. It's super dark. Like, if you have been around and watched all my videos, you know that I want something as black as night, but I want the blue to be so blue that it pops and you can see it, which is kind of like, it's silly to some people because they're like, you're never going to find a blue-black that's as black as night, but also as blue so you can see it. This is it. This is it. This is it. And also 100% gray coverage. We'll see. We'll see if it actually keeps all my whites at bay, and the only time that they pop up is when it is regrowth and not it just washing off. Because that's the one thing with L'Oreal Feria, is that they do have really beautiful colors and they're multi-dimensional and stuff, but they are not gray coverage at all. So it does wash out very quickly. And I've never had an issue with Clairol washing out. So we will test this. And if it stays, this is going to be my #1 favorite color because it's as dark as I want it. It is so dark. It is so beautiful. I love it. And it's also super blue. Like, I don't even have to play around with lighting to see the blue. Like, this is natural light and I can see it, and I don't even have to play with my hair. Like, I can see all the blue everywhere. It's amazing. I love it. I really don't have any complaints about this hair color at all, except that it does stain, but you know, with good color, it does stain. It stains my ears like right here. I feel like I can't get it off. I got it off my forehead, but I can't get it off like these sides right here. And like, whatever, my hair just, it hides that. We're good. But other than that, other than the staining, there's no complaints I have for this hair color. I just really hope and pray that it lasts so I can love it. That it like just, it'll be my go-to color. Sorry, Schwarzkopf. But like if this lasts on my whites, then I found it. I found my super, super black hair with the blue that shows and you don't even, I found it. Yeah. So anyways, let's see if I covered all the bases. It's 100% gray coverage. We'll see if that stays. The price point is drugstore, so it's amazing. It's about, I want to say about between $6 and $8. I can't remember how much I paid for it at Walmart. It smells amazing. It's super gentle, and it's bonding treatment. So like, that's like a no-brainer. Like that, I love the fact that these hair brands are starting to actually think of the integrity of your hair and put bonding treatment in, so it's not, your hair is not gonna break or get damaged. Like that is amazing. You don't need any ventilation. It smells so good. It smells so fresh. What else? I think that's it. Yeah. So if you have any other recommendations that you would like me to try, you can leave that in the comments below, or you can message me on Instagram at Nina_Gilhousen. And it's just easier if you like take a picture of the hair color and send it to me so that like I know what I'm buying, because sometimes it's just really hard to find. Like there was a color that someone recommended and I can't find it. Like I don't know if it exists, but I could find every other color with those same numbers, or well, semi-same numbers, but I cannot find that exact one at all, anywhere. So I'm just having a tough time finding that, and it just makes it easier if you just take a picture, send it to me on Instagram. That way I know exactly what I'm buying. So yeah, I think that's all. That's everything. I hope I covered all the bases with that. This brain fog has got the best of me, and I am lucky on some days that I can actually spit my words out without hesitation, and then there's days that half the time I don't even know what I'm talking about. Like I want it to come out and it won't come out, and I don't make sense half the time, or there's very long pauses. So yeah. Thanks for bearing with me, and I will see you guys next time. Oh, and I do updates on my Instagram page about the hair color. I give you all the good, the bad, the ugly, and I don't sugarcoat anything. So if you don't follow me on there, you should if you want to see updates on this hair color. So I do all my updates on there. I feel like it's so much easier to do like a short video and show you guys the hair color after like maybe 2-3 washes and stuff, so that you guys can see for yourself what the hair color looks like afterwards. And yeah, so I'll see you next time. Bye guys.